Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to install PC Manager in Windows 11. Microsoft is continuously improving Windows 11's performance and making minor enhancements to Windows 10 as well. But not a lot of users think that's enough. So, the company is now working on a new app called PC Manager to help speed up the performance of Windows 11 and 10 PCs. Initially launched for the Chinese PC market, the tool aims to quickly improve performance and disable programs affecting your PC's health and usage. Open your web browser and paste the link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on Free Download for Computer Manager version 2.3. Set the path and save the file. Wait until download is complete. Open the installation file. Check I accept end-user license and privacy agreements. Click on Install. Wait until installation is complete. Click on Launch Now. PC Manager is ready for use. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!